So I never really look at my P&L until after, guys. But I'm at an 18,658 day. So nice 18 stacks. This market is amazing. $124,000 this month. And ever since my birthday, you guys have seen me make 129,000. Reminding myself that I don't need to place a trade unless the stock comes to me. I want to be in control of the stock, not the stock in control of me. And if it so happens to be a no trade day, it happens to be a no trade day. You know, I come back mentally sharp, prepared for tomorrow. So with that being said, let's hope these stocks get to our ideal levels. Let's hope these things set up. And we got about 30 seconds here until the market opens, guys. Thanks. Also, I'll be flying back to New Jersey tomorrow. So I will be here live trading. So live trading schedule is not changing or anything like that. I'm going to bring my mobile setup and trade there. But just as a heads up, if I'm a little bit slow to replies traveling tomorrow. So market's open here. Let's see if these stocks will bounce. So we want the stocks to come to us, guys. We want the stocks to come to us. So waiting for these stocks to bounce. If they bounce, SLE. Let's see SLE. Okay, SLE is going up, but we're going to need higher. You know, ideally towards that $10 line. That's kind of what I'd be looking for. $10 is kind of what I'd be looking for on SLE. Around SLNH not doing anything. GLTO weak. SSKN weak. So a whole lot of nothing so far. IPDN is trying to bounce. So let me pull up IPDN. So IPDN bouncing. Took a first initial starter here on IPDN into this bounce. So just a small starter. Got about a 469 average. So top tick so far, but looking for an ad if I could get it. This is a broken down stock that I'm looking to short the bounce. Ideally, I would like $5 or higher. So this is just a starter. Starter is getting my feet wet, starting in small, waiting. So ideally, we could get towards $5 here. See some resistance around 490. So let's see if we get $5. IPDN, a little bit of a fail. I'll get a small ad there on that fail on IPDN, but still staying very small. Support is around 447, so we need to break that support area. But ideally, I'm saving room for $5. $5 would be ideal for me. $5 would be a good whole dollar resistance area. But it's just small. So I'm not oversized. I'm waiting. I'm welcoming, hopefully $5. But that's a big fail. So added on this fail here, that push and rejection. So you see how I pushed the high of the day there and just immediately slammed down. So that's a little bit of a confirmation for me. But once again, if it breaks under 445, that is going to be the big signal. So far I have about a 460 average overall. So currently I'm in about 20% of my size, still leaving room. So you can see here, guys, 445 supported twice. So if 445 breaks, it's going to probably lose its juice. So if I do add again, it'll ideally be on a 445 break or it'll be towards $5. So I'm sized up appropriately where even if it goes to $5, I'm not panicking. That's where I'm going to add. Another fail there. Every time it pushes 470, it sells off. SLE open. Let's see if it gets to 950. Let's see if it gets to 950. SLE halt down. Gotta be kidding me. SSKN, not a single bounce. Unbelievable. IPDN does look like maybe potentially $5 is going to test. So I'll be patient for my ads towards $5. Let it trade out. Not really worried. Size is appropriate where I could just get that $5 that I'm looking for. GLTO is definitely getting some attention. So not really worried here. Again, that $5 area. GLTO halt down. That's annoying. We're trying to halt down. So we're going to watch this $5 fail here. And depending on that fail will be an ad or not. So pushing up towards that resistance level of 5. Let's see how it trades out there. If it does end up failing, I got no problem adding. Like usual. Only in about 20% of my size. Okay, nice bounce. Bouncing to my upper resistance line. So took an ad here, 490s into my upper resistance area. Again, waiting for a fail for confirmation. I'm gonna add up to 30%-ish size. I have about a 470s average overall here on about 30% of my size. Again, I want to see some sort of death candle. I want to see some sort of confirmation. I want to see some sort of something, right? The next resistance area is going to be that VWAP 525. We'll see. A little bit of a fail. I'll probably add on like a 480 fail. Took a small ad. I'm about 30% of my size for sure. Keep this 30% size until I see a major fail. But this stock is broken, so the bounces should fail here. Like right now. Exactly like right now. There we go. There we go. So exactly like my plan said, guys, $5. And now I'm definitely going to be scaling. So scaling more here. SLE open. IPDN, nice fail. Let's see that continued breakdown. So we got two support areas here. We got 455 and 445. SLE taking attention. So let's get that break of 455 and then 445. If we lose 445, we're going to $4. Let's see. Come on. There we go. Come on. SLE money flow, nice money flow. So focusing up here, SLE taking money flow, which is helping this trade. So SLE, really nice push, guys. Really nice taking the money flow. That should take the money flow away. 438, reduce some IPDN to take some profits, but I think lower is coming. So I'll definitely be reshorting these bounces. So got some more covers into the dips. Still think lower is coming. So good initial plan to short that bounce towards $5, not oversizing so that I'm prepared for it. IBG, some money flow. SLE about to halt down. Unbelievably garbage stock. It's annoying. SLNH trying to bounce. Looking around. SSKN, not a single bounce. FLD, not a bounce. SLE trading a little bit too random for me. So I'm not going to really focus on that. I just hope that it takes money flow. So ideally looking to short the bounces, cover the dips. So first initial bounce, got some partial size. As I got to my ideal line, I added. As it death candled, I added. And as breaking support, I'm reducing. So ideally, I want to see this keep breaking down support. SLE kind of looks like the main one that's holding up. It's like chopping up and chopping down. So that's very easy to track people. So I do believe that this SLE is probably going to be a little bit trappy. It tried to hold down and reclaim, tried to reclaim, hold it down. It's kind of doing the opposite of everything. So I just not even touch it. I just certainly hope that it takes money flow. Reduce more IPDN on the dip. Let the rest ride. SLE is definitely where the money flow is for now. So I'm not going to look to attack that SLE. Seems too trappy. Nice move, SLE. Halting up SLE. That should mean IPDN should lose it. So good stock selection for now. 430 retest. As SLE squeezes, IPDN should lose money flow. There we go. 420. There we go. 420, reduce some. Oh, here we go. Next support is 420, which I got, I guess, 406. But let's cover some more, guys. Let's cover some more of these dips. 415, reducing more. Sick trade. There we go. So thank you, SLE, for taking that money flow. Sitting for some more at 417. Big sellers at 420. So this thing's probably going to go lower. 417, reduce more. Next support is around 406, 411. So I'll place an order of 411 to get more if we get it. 417, big sellers. Come on. Come on. 417 sellers. Come on, come on, come on. Give me my 411s. Give me my 411. You know you want to. Come on. One more penny. One more penny. Took some more 14. Don't want to be cheap for a couple pennies. 411. Got a partial fill. You know what, guys? Should we say it? Should we say it? Should we say it? Sitting at 420. So sitting at 420 for the last bit. So broken stock, guys. Broken stock that we scaled in on the bounce. Didn't get too aggressive until after it hit my ideal areas. So sitting at 420 for the last bit, got it out and all out. All out. So I never really look at my P&L until after, guys. But I'm at an 18,658 day. So nice 18 stacks. This market is amazing. $124,000 this month. And ever since my birthday, you guys have seen me make $129,000. And that right there, guys, is live trading. That's all I got, guys. I mean, I don't know what else to say. We do it in front of your eyes every day. Every day, I'm doing it in front of you. I'm calling out the trades before it happens. I'm making a watch list before it happens. I am literally trading the exact process that we preach, guys, for you. I mean, aside from coming to your house and trading for you, I can't do much more. So wrapping up this $18,000 day on IPDN. Appreciate you guys. Love you guys. And we'll be back at it again first thing tomorrow morning. So with proper stock selection, anything is possible. So have a great day, guys. Thank you.